We're back here today working on this thing, and it's snowing again. So you guys just seen a cold start video about this. That was actually done about 2 weeks ago. May I get some light inside to be able to hook up the positive for this?
You can. I gotta come around.
Okay, we're coming around. But we're gonna start this thing up tonight. We're gonna drive it up to the shop, and we're going to put a bumper on it.
Yeah, I never did blare and switch yet.
I wired one in, and it's right there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, see it? Fuel pump's on. Okay, start her up. Pump it, pump it, pump it!
This is fuel injected. It should not have to do it.
It's not fuel injected, it's throttle body. Holy crap! Hold on, let me just get out of here, out of the exploding zone. Holy jeez. I think she's even colder today. Let me give it a push. Well, if that's not a cold start, I don't know what is. Look at the snow coming down. We got it running. We're gonna leave it running for a bit. And we're gonna pull into the shop and start the bumper swap. We've taken out one bolt and a horn. So the plan is we're going to remove these bumper shocks and then just bring this right in and weld it. Now, I haven't done too many vehicles with bumper shocks, and I know that Steven has, so we're just going to go by his. Seems like a game plan.
Well, I've done like 2.
Well, it's more than me. I think I've done 1. No, I've done 2. I did a Volvo.
Oh, okay. All right. Well.
And a Crown Vic, but I never even touched the Crown Vics.
I really don't like how far it is out, so
yep.
I'm going to cut the ends. I'm going to take them off and then cut the ends out so we can slide the whole shaft of the bumper shock in even further, probably seat it, and then we'll weld it around so it's not going to go anywhere. And then we can get more plate onto the frame that way too, because we're limited on that.
Sounds good. Let's get going at this, and we'll see how he comes to this and how it goes. Well, with Steven grinding over there, we got quite a bit of work done. We got the bumper shocks all pushed in. That's a little warm because it was bent, so we had to heat it up with the torch to get a nice flat mounting surface for the actual bumper. He's just cleaning up some of the old mounts from one of the old cars this was on. He threw some seat belts around the radiator and fun things like that. We have noticed a fairly large oil leak. Don't tell Steven, but I think it was from the cold start red line. But we won't tell him that. So we're going to get this cleaned up, get it tacked on, get a look at it, and then just fully weld it up. And the snow started letting off, so that's nice, but it's starting to get really cold out. Yeah, it's starting to get really cold out. But we'll get this thing done, and something else, he's put his roof sign on it, so it's official. Okay, we messed up a bit. See, this guy over here kept telling me that there was an oil leak, and he was all worried about the exhaust getting hot and kind of catching the motor on fire with the oil leak. So I used a whole bunch of brake clean to clean off all the oil and wipe it down. And then we tack welded the bumper on, and the motor was on fire.
Like very on fire.
We like blew on it, but that didn't do nothing. So we put some fire extinguisher dust on it. It's all in the shop. Steven was holding the bumper because only one side was tacked.
I didn't want to lose where we were. That's a lot of effort.
That's a lot of effort. Yeah, so it's not Zach's workshop unless something's on fire.
Oh my god. This is how it was. Both of us. And there's like flames in our face. It's the whole motor.
It kind of warmed us up a bit though in the snow, but other than that, well, we're gonna just keep welding this bumper. It can't catch on any more fire than what it already has been. So hopefully this thing fires back up now, because that was actually pretty devastating. So we have a bumper on this thing now. Yeah, give it a good kick. Hold on. Let's give it the Nathan Prince test. Grab that hammer.
Oh, okay.
If you guys don't know, Nathan Prince is one of my buddies who welded a bumper on and hit it with a hammer and it fell off. Did you even hit the bumper? Or did you hit the rod support?
I hit it right here.
Okay, I wasn't literally looking. All right, and pass the Nathan Prince test. Hooray!
I saw the frame like bend a little bit.
Okay, don't even look at the frame.
I don't want to do that.
It's fine. So we had the one fire, and we're gonna start this thing up, put it back. I think the brake clean is not going to be an issue now because we have fire extinguisher dust on it. It should be fine.
I'm not worried about it.
I'm not worried.
If it burns, it was meant to burn.
You know what? It's kind of cold out. If it burns, we'll just put our mitts over top of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to start this thing up. We're going to drive it back, and that'll probably be the end of tonight's video. Look at the dust. Pardon?
Brutal.
It's fine. You got threaded rod.
Yeah, no, it's good.
It's good. It's good.